Hi guys, and real quick, something you didn't know about me. I like fidgets, which you might not know what fidgets are, but they're really cool. And I want to show you some of mine. So here's my whole box, and I want to just get some out. So let's take a look. Some at least. So here's my miniature pop table. I'm only going to be showing you 6. But if you want to see me and my sister making weird videos of trading these, go check out her, which those videos are fake trading. Go check out her TikTok, I love fidgets. And there's a period after every word. So, no capitals, nothing. Just a period after any word. Here's my soccer ball spinner. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Here are my 2 cans of putty I got yesterday when I went down over to, yeah. Those are just some. I'm not going to be showing you a lot, but here's my stretchy hot dog. If you look at fidget videos on TikTok, you'll see some of these, or just watch TikTok fidget videos, you'll see these. Here's my stress ball, which, the weird thing about this was a mesh ball once, and I took the net off. Don't mind never mind, I'm not only going to be showing 6, because I have a lot. I have this one. This is a wacky track, it's pretty cool. Yeah. I have this poop emoji squishy. Weird. Oh yeah, any Rubik's Cube is a fidget. So, even these flat ones are fidgets too. Infinity Cube. You might have saw one of these ones. But I love them. Slinkies are fidgets too. This is all the ones that I'm going to be showing you today in this video. But tomorrow I will be posting a fidget, all of my fidgets. But that's just some. I have 56 in all. So, bye guys.